Now we are continuing. Enter the following transactions in the sales book and post them in the ledger. Enter the following transaction or transactions in the sales book and post them in the ledger. So for entering the transactions into the sales book, you should know the conditions related to sales book. First condition, that it should be sale, then it should be sale of goods, and then it should be sale of goods on credit. It should be sale of goods on credit. So now on 1st of August 2020, we sold goods to Ramesh rupees 1600. We sold goods, that means it is sale. We sold goods, that means it is sale of goods. Now you tell me whether this is on credit or for cash. Be careful while answering whether this is on credit or for cash. As they have mentioned the name of the party, that is Ramesh, we sold goods to Ramesh, and they have not specifically mentioned for cash. This is on credit transaction. This is on credit transaction. That means this is sale of goods on credit. So this will be covered in sales book. I hope you are getting me. Okay. On 10th of August 2020, we supplied goods to Pratap and Company, rupees 900. We have Pratap in our class also. We supplied goods to Pratap and Company, rupees 900. We supplied goods. सप्लाय कधी करतो आपण? सप्लाय केलो म्हणजे पाठवलो त्यांना. प्रताप अँड कंपनीला सप्लाय केलो. वी सप्लाइड गुड्स. दिस इज सेल ओनली. हे सप्लाय केलो म्हणजे कधी? सेलच्या केसमध्ये सप्लाय करतो आपण. गुड्स सप्लाय केलेले. दॅट मीन्स वी सोल्ड गुड्स. दिस इज सेल. दिस इज सेल ऑफ गुड्स. ऑन क्रेडिट आहे का नाही तुम्ही सांगा. प्लीज टेल मी. दिस इज ऑन क्रेडिट ऑर नॉट? This is on credit or not? Yes, because they have mentioned the name of the party, that is Pratap and Company, and for cash is not there. So this is sale of goods on credit. This is sale of goods on credit. So this will also be included in sales book. Now last transaction. On 15th of August 2020, invoiced goods to Suchita and Company, rupees 400. Please read the English carefully. No, please read the English carefully. Unparke, please. I'm requesting you. Read again. Invoiced goods to Suchita and Company. Whether this will be included in sales book or not. Yes or no? Please answer me. Yes, very good, Ompake. You are understood now. That's great. Whether this will be included in sales book or not, please raise your hand or say yes in chat box. I require your answers. Very good. Bhageshri Bingi, Gautami Sherla, Aishwarya Kulkarni, who raised hand. I think Pratap also raised hand. Very good. Amir, very good. Yes. Anyone else? Please answer. Say yes or no at least. Okay. समजा तुम्हाला कायच माहित नाही तरी तुम्ही सांगू शकता येस ऑर नो तर म्हणायचंय. ओके रोहित, व्हेरी गुड. कुणाल, व्हेरी गुड. तुम्ही आन्सर द्या, येस ऑर नो असं म्हणायचंय. ओके, समजा तुम्हाला काय येत नाही तरी तुम्ही येस ऑर नो काहीतरी म्हणू शकता. ओके, रॉंग आन्सरला मी मारत तर नाहीये. ओके, प्लीज ट्राय टू गिव्ह आन्सर्स. इनवॉइस्ड गुड्स टू सुचिता अँड कंपनी. दॅट मीन्स सुचिता अँड कंपनीला गुड्स इनवॉइस केलं म्हणजे पाठवले, सेंड केले. मग कोण पाठवले सुचिता अँड कंपनीला? आपणच पाठवलो ना. आपण गुड्स कधी पाठवतो? सेंड कधी करतो गुड्स? वी सेंड गुड्स ऑन सेल ना. सेल केल्यानंतरच आपण पाठवतो. दिस इज सेल ओनली. दिस इज सेल ओनली. इनवॉइस्ड गुड्स टू सुचिता अँड कंपनी मीन्स वी सेंट गुड्स टू सुचिता अँड कंपनी. आपण गुड्स कधी पाठवतो? इन केस ऑफ सेल ओनली. So this is sale, and this is sale of goods, and this is sale of goods on credit because they have mentioned the name of the party, and for cash is not there. They have specifically not mentioned that it is for cash. So this is sale of goods on credit, and this shall also be included in sales book. All three transactions should be included in sales book. Please tell me whether you have understood this or not. In chat box only. Do not raise hand. Please, I require your answer in chat box. Yes or no. Please type yes or no. I require answer from every student. Those who are listening to me, please answer. Okay. Otherwise, I will consider that you are not listening to me. I have not received yes from every student or no, yes or no from every student. I need your answers. Okay. So I think we will see presentation of the answer of problem number 4 afterwards. Please tick down like this. Okay. असं टिक करून ठेवा तुम्ही पण. तुम्हाला इझी जाईल. परत थिंक करायचं गरज नाही. एकदाच तुम्ही बघितलात तर तुम्हाला कळून जाईल. ओके. प्रेझेंटेशन वगैरे आपण नंतर बघू सेल्स बुकचं. बट थोडंसं तुम्हाला होमवर्क पाहिजे का हो? डू यू वॉन्ट होमवर्क? फक्त डिसाईड करून या प्रॉब्लेम नंबर 5 मध्ये सेल्स बुक मध्ये येणार का नाही. ओके. सेल्स बुक मध्ये येणार का नाही, येस और नो असं डिसाईड करून या. असं ठीक आहे बघा, असं करा, असं असं असं, किंवा हे येत नसेल तर असं. ओके. क्रॉस असेल तर क्रॉस. ओके. मी करेक्ट आन्सर नाही येत आहे, असं काहीतरी करून या. येस और नो येणार का नाही हे टिक करून या. so that we will complete problem number 4 and 5 in the next lecture. Yes. So for accounts, this is it for today.